Isaiah 41 verse 10, So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Psalm 46 verses 1 to 2, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. Mark 4 verse 39, He got up, rebuked the wind and said to the waves, Quiet, be still. Then the wind died down and it was completely calm. Philippians 4 verse 7, And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Psalm 107 verse 29, He stilled the storm to a whisper, the waves of the sea were hushed. John 14 verse 27, Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled and do not be afraid. Nahum 1 verse 7, The Lord is good, a refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in Him. Matthew 11 verse 28, Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 16, Now may the Lord of peace Himself give you peace at all times and in every way. The Lord be with all of you. Psalm 23 verse 4, Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.